Arvind Kejriwal is to be taken for medical examination. Arvind Kejriwal will be produced before a court tomorrow. So remember, the arrest is confirmed. He will be produced before a court tomorrow. Meanwhile, we are told that Arvind Kejriwal's team is planning to go to the Supreme Court tomorrow seeking relief for Arvind Kejriwal. Sanju Verma, I'll come back to you. I also have a Congress guest. I want to get their quick reaction. Kumar Mangalam has been waiting patiently. Mr. Kumar Mangalam, you will recall that the Delhi Congress was the one which had also claimed that Arvind Kejriwal was behind the Delhi Liquorgate scam. Now you're in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. How do you read what's happened?
Rajdeep, we're now in a bit of a police state, I think. If you look at what the government of the day is doing, we're basically freezing accounts of the opposition, arresting chief ministers without any evidence of a money trade, and using the draconian provisions of the PMLA to the maximum it can be used. There's an old adage in our country that the process is the punishment cannot be truer than in PMLA, which is why the Supreme Court is revisiting its earlier judgment on some of these provisions. In fact, Justice Sanjeev Khanna just yesterday has said that under PMLA Section 45, if incarceration is prolonged and the trial is delayed, you can get bail in a PMLA case. So I think Manish Sisodia, under those observations at least, could look to get bail. Mr. Kejriwal, of course, if he's incarcerated, has to now go through that process.
No, but does the Congress... you didn't answer my question, Mr. Kumar Mangalam. The Congress had claimed that Mr. Kejriwal was involved, the Delhi Congress. Now you've allied with him. Do you see this as vindictive action or just deserts?
I don't see it as... Well, of course, I see all actions of the ED targeted against the opposition as vindictive action. But we are not an investigative agency. We found something wrong with the policy and made an allegation. It's up to the investigative agency to find proof of that and bring it to a logical conclusion in a speedy fashion. Now it's over 2 years. You have a deputy chief minister sitting in jail. You have an agency that went to court in December 2023 asking for a day-to-day trial only to be told by the court that they don't have their paperwork in order. They don't even have proper charge sheets filed. And yesterday in another case handled by the ED, the court said you can't keep filing charge sheet after charge sheet just to keep someone incarcerated. So the ED has been slammed by the Supreme Court over the last couple of days, and you can see in most of the cases they're not reaching conclusion.
No, you're saying that the ED has been slammed in the case. The fact though is, the facts of the case are all the AAP politicians who've gone for bail in this case have been denied bail routinely. Sanjay Hegde, how is that to be interpreted? Because this battle, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this battle is, no, please put a fader down. This battle is being fought in the court of public opinion as well. Mr. Kejriwal will seek sympathy, but people will say, look, if you're not getting bail repeatedly, how can you take sympathy? None of the AAP leaders who've gone to seek bail have got bail. Where does that leave this whole thing that it's clear that the courts seem to believe that prima facie there is a case?
No, the way the section itself is worded under the PMLA, it makes it very difficult to grant bail.
Which section specifically, Sanjay? Which specific section?
45 of the PMLA.
Can you explain this to our viewers? Because many believe that the way it's drafted means that it's the accused who has to prove his or her innocence.
Yes, that the prosecutor must first get a chance to oppose bail, and that prima facie the court must have a satisfaction that no crime has been committed or is likely to be committed.
Right.
Now, you must also remember that the PMLA is based on an underlying predicate offense. That is, if you have committed a crime and then there are proceeds of crime which you have layered, concealed, etc., then you are also guilty under the PMLA. Now, this was done specifically was supposed to have been done specifically for drug and arms money. Unfortunately, India expanded its whole list of predicate crimes to include everything: prevention of corruption, this, that, and the other. Mm-hmm. So today,
the scheduled offences, predicate offence or the scheduled offences have been widened under it. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So almost every criminal action comes under the scheduled offences. You don't prosecute the scheduled offence that much. People may get bail in the ordinary process. Mm-hmm. But if you impose a ED case, a PMLA case, then bail is very difficult to grant.